That's companion stores.
Companion stores. What's that?
Convenience stores.
Convenience.
Convenience. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Convenience
that small
stores.
one in the village.
Restaurant.
Yeah. That is quick. Have you got problem here?
Oh, a little clinic for hospital, basically.
Yeah. You can park over here, or I can find good spot here. This is a park.
Oh, I like.
You can park here. It's small bridge, so that's why the car cannot go there.
It's okay. We can walk.
Yeah, yeah.
I like walking.
Boleh ikut parkir sini Pak ya?
Oke.
Ya, ya.